Anna, Bob, and Chris will not disclose their weights, but agree to be weighed in pairs. Anna and Bob together weigh 226 pounds. Bob and Chris together weigh 210 pounds. Anna and Chris together weigh 200 pounds. How much does each person weigh? Well, before we start solving the problems, we need to come up with 3 different variables. So I'm going to use A, B, and C as my variables. A is Anna's weight. B is Bob's weight. And C is Chris's weight. Now that we have our 3 different variables, we can now come up with 3 different equations. The first one will be A plus B equals 226. Second one will be B plus C equals 210. And the third one will be A plus C equals 200. From here, we can solve for A, B, or C, but based on my preference, I'm going to solve for A that's on the third equation. So to solve for A, I just need to subtract C, which will result in A equals 200 minus C. Now that I solved for A, I'm now going to substitute this equation onto the first equation. So it will be 200 minus C plus B equals 226. Now I'm going to subtract 200 on both sides. That makes it negative C plus B equals 26. And then I'm going to add C on both sides. That makes B equals 26 plus C. From here, I'm going to substitute B on the second equation. And then divide it by 2. So C equals 92. Now I can substitute this on the second or the third equation. I'm going to do it on the third equation. That makes A 108. Since I have 2 of the answers, I'm now going to substitute 108 on the first equation for A. Subtract 108 on both sides, and this way we'll be left with B, which is 118. So since we all have the 3 answers, we have to put them into coordinate point form, which is A, B, and C. So I'm going to put 108, 118, 92 with the parentheses. This will be my answer for this question, which states that Anna's weight is 108 pounds, Bob weighs 118 pounds, and Chris weighs 92 pounds.